Hey everyone, and welcome to another short product review. Today we have a look at another nice power adapter by the company called Baseus. They make really nice products when it comes to charging all your devices. They have power adapters, they have power banks, and so on and so on. And I love what they do. That's why I came to the idea to make another product review about this nice charger here, which is available for 35 to 40 bucks using the link provided in the video description below. Well, the build quality is super nice and it's super thin with just 16 millimeters, so you can carry it even in your pocket, in your camera bag, or maybe you can take it to your university and you can place it anywhere you want and it doesn't take too much space. It comes with 3 adapters, one for Europe, UK, and the United States, which is really nice, so you can use it on all your vacations and if you travel a lot. There is no long sticking out of the wall thanks to the flat design. So if you have children at home, you may came to the idea to think, maybe this power adapter will break off one time because my children are running onto this power adapter so many times, which will probably not happen with this one here thanks to the flat design. It got 2 USB ports, one USB-A port which delivers 20 watts. That means you can charge your smartphone, power banks, tablets or drone phones. I think I said that already. And with the USB Type-C port, you can charge even your MacBook, Chromebook or Surface, and of course tablets and smartphones as well. It offers also power delivery. That means you can charge your cameras. That hasn't been possible with other adapters. You might have figured out that it's not possible to charge your Canon camera, for instance, using other power adapters. Not all of them, but some of them, they do have power delivery, and that is required for charging a Canon camera. You can charge your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro 13 and MacBook Pro 14 inch without any problems and working at the same time. You cannot charge your MacBook Pro 16 inch while working at the same time on the same program, since the 16 inch version requires more power. For all other devices, it's a really nice charger if you travel a lot, if you are using it for the university, for the office or at home, thanks to the flat design and the power output, which allows you to charge even your Canon camera since it does offer power delivery. Link in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.